um, talk about the importance of statistics and understanding the basic concepts of statistics. These are the learning outcomes. So, what are the objectives of statistics? Why do you need to learn about statistics, and why do you uh, need statistics in order to carry out your work? So one of the objectives of statistics is that it helps you to summarize and simplify your data. For example, in the figures over here, you can see that you have a few numbers, okay, from 60 to 120, all right? So if I just give you these numbers, all right, you cannot make sense of it. It is just a couple of numbers. However, if you are able to put these numbers into a table, okay, a very simple way to do statistics, okay, just rearrange the numbers into tables, you start to make sense, okay. The numbers start to give you some manageable and understandable information. All right, if you further put the information in the tables into a graph, all right, it will be even clearer, allow you to see the trends and everything in a more clearer pictures. However, we should also understand that when we actually transfer the information from the numbers into tables and further into the figures, we are doing summarization and simplification. But when we are doing that, the information that we have will slowly be reduced. But when the information is reduced, it becomes more understandable. All right. So the second function of statistics is that it allows us to present our data more clearly. For example, in this case, you can see that everything is in the table form. Okay, you have the numbers and everything, but it's hard to understand. All right, but when you put it into this kind of format, okay, you have a very simple graph here. Okay, a very simple histogram. All right, then you will start to understand it better. The next one is that it allows you to do predictions. When you have your data, you plot it into a graph, you start to see pattern. All right. So for example, if I just give you a bunch of data, you cannot make sense of it. But when you put it into a table like this, then you will know. All right. When the date progress, the numbers slowly become saturated, and it will stop increasing. All right. If you just have the numbers, you cannot see the pattern. But when you see the pattern, you are able to make prediction. And statistics allow us to make conclusion and tell us how confident are we about our conclusion. You will learn this in inferential statistics. Okay, that you will get that in the next few uh, videos. But from here, you will know that, all right, it allows you to make a conclusion and tell you, for example, you are 85% sure that you are not making a type 1 error. Okay, you are 80% sure you are not making a type 2 error, and so on. So when we are doing research, we need to report our results. And when we report our results, we need to be, for example, 85% sure that we are not making type 1 error. In short, we will be giving the p-values, and the p-values will confirm with us that the type 1 error is minimized, capped at maximum 5%. So that's all for this video.